हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्ट्रेस क्लासेस। आज हम आगे +2 में सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। हमारा चैप्टर जो +2 में है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रल, चैप्टर 8 चल रहा है। ऑन दिस चैप्टर ये लेक्चर हमारा 3 होगा। आज 2 लेक्चर हो चुके हैं। उन 2 लेक्चर में हमने एक्सरसाइज कर लिया है 8.1 और इसमें उसके बाद जो है मिसलिनियस एक्सरसाइज है। मिसलिनियस में भी हमने क्वेश्चन 1 और 2 कर लिए हैं। आज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, 3 to 5 लास्ट क्वेश्चन है। MCQ भी है इनमें। ओके, तो दिस चैप्टर विल बी ओवर टुडे। नाउ दिस फ्रॉम NCERT बुक बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, लास्ट के क्वेश्चन है, मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो सी द वीडियो अप टू द एंड, ओके, because here MCQ also most important. Now question 3, find the area bounded by the curve y equal to sin x between x equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. See now, this is the graph of sin x function. Because sin 0 0 होता है we know, and sin pi by 2 1 होता है, तो y is 1, और इसके बाद फिर sin pi 0 होता है, तो this will be the curve like this, and then after that at 3 pi by 2, x is 3 pi by 2, this is -1, sin 3 pi by 2 is -1 होता है, उसके बाद आपका 2 pi पर फिर 0 होता है. So that's why this will be the graph of the sin x function. Now at x is equal to 2 pi, तो एक लाइन बन गई at x is equal to 2 pi पे at the point x is equal to 2 pi parallel to y axis, and this at x is equal to 0, this is the y axis है ये आपका. तो between 0 to 2 pi this sin x function, okay, having these two curve, this one curve from 0 to pi, other curve from pi to 2 pi, and symmetric are these. Okay, both curve are symmetric, we know. Okay, so this sin x function, both curve are symmetric, so we have to find the shaded region according to question. So this shaded region we have to find, and this region will be equal to, in the first quadrant only we are taking, and double of this. So area of the sin x function under the limit 0 to pi, under the limit 0 to pi, and double of this, because same area will be of from pi to 2 pi. So that's why twice of integral of y dx 0 to pi equal to twice into integral sin x dx 0 to pi. So then twice of, then integral of sin x we know minus cos x. Okay, integral of sin x is minus antiderivative we know, because derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So integral of sin x minus cos x, and then limit 0 to pi. Okay, so this minus I taken first out minus 2, okay, and then cos x upper limit pi, lower limit 0. तो cos x, x is pi, cos pi की वैल्यू -1 होती है. ओके, cos pi -1 माइनस फॉर लोअर लिमिट इज 0, तो cos 0, x वैल्यू 0, तो cos 0 कितना होता है 1, तो माइनस लोअर लिमिट दैट इज 1, तो -2 इनसाइड and -2 out, then it will be 4. Okay, then your required area is 4. Okay, clear? Yes. Now similarly, next question, question number 4. What is question 4? Area bounded by the curve y equal to x cube. ये क्यूबिक है. Okay, cubic का graph we have to draw and the x-axis and the ordinates x equal to -2 and x equal to 1 is option. It is MCQ question, important question. A option -9, B option -15/4, C option 15/4 and D option 17/4. Now we draw the graph of the function y is equal to x cube. You see here x cube means if x is 1, so y also 1 cube is 1. Okay. If x is 2, then 2 cube 8. So y will be 8, यानी too much far away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. तो 2 पर ये ग्राफ जाकर ऊपर यहाँ कहीं ज्वाइन होगा. तो मीन्स दिस एंड 0 पर 0 हो गया. So this is the first quadrant graph, and after that it will go in third quadrant because -1 cube will be -1. So if x is -1, y will be -1. So this point will be here. After that same if -2 cube -8. So then same position in the this quadrant. Okay, second. But here it is -2 and here only 1. So between 1 and -2. Here saying between 1 and -2 and x-axis. So x-axis line x is equal to 1, x equal to -2, and this curve, this is the shaded region. This is required region, bounded region. Okay. So this bounded region, shaded region is our required area. So then here we have to take both separately here. This region in first quadrant x cube dx under the limit 0 to 1 x, and here limit कहाँ से कहाँ तक है -2 से 0. लोअर लिमिट ऑलवेज डाउन -2 to 0. ओके, तो -2 to 0 x, and this is the shaded region between -2 and 0. So this also same graph, x cube function same. Now what is the integral of x cube? X power 4 divided by 4 under the limit 0 to 1 plus x power 4 divided by 4 under the limit -2 to 0 and modulus, because if any area negative, then a negative not possible, so positive hota hai area everywhere positive. Okay, so this if inside negative solve करके आता तो modulus. Okay, because here inside will come -4 if solving. Okay, now you see limit, upper limit minus lower limit we have put here. Then 1 power 4 is 1 divided by 4, 1/4 minus x is 0, 0 upon something 0 plus now this upper limit 0, तो 0 put किया x value, तो 0 minus lower limit -2 put किया x value, तो -2 power 4 16. ओके, -2 power 4 plus 16 and minus lower limit है तो ये -16 upon 4, then 4 4 जा 16 -4, but it is modulus area individually everyone must be positive, so this is +4. So this is 1/4 and +4. So this is the required area 1/4 plus 4. LCM लिया तो ये 17/4. So this is your required area 17/4. So this here in this option, which option is correct? D option is correct. 17/4. Done. So similarly, you can think, sketch the graph of the function first and then take the under limit in the bounded region. Okay. So now similarly we can do next question. हाँ जी, hello beta, continuous beta. Next question. Next question is question number 5. This is the last question of chapter 8, miscellaneous exercise. After that chapter 9 will be started. in the next video. Okay. Now, this question from NCERT book. The area bounded by the curve. कर्व देखो मिक्स है यहाँ पर y इक्वल टू एक्स इंटू मॉडुलस एक्स. अब देखो मॉडुलस एक्स जो है पॉजिटिव होगा. If x is negative, then also positive. If positive, then positive. But if negative inside, x वैल्यू नेगेटिव है तो ये तो पॉजिटिव बन गया मॉडुलस x, और ये आपका माइनस है तो इट मीन्स माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. तो मीन्स नेगेटिव फेस में माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, पॉजिटिव फेस में एक्स स्क्वायर, तो मीन्स सेम थिंग है. तो हमने क्या करना है, इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द ग्राफ. तो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने में ध्यान देंगे, हमने पॉइंट लिए. अगर मैं इसकी वैल्यू 1 लेता हूं एक्स की, तो एक्स वैल्यू 1 पुट करो तो 1 इंटू मॉडुलस 1 इज 1, तो y इज 1. तो दिस पॉइंट एंड यू चेक कि इफ हाफ लेते हैं हम एक्स 1/2, तो 1/2 इंटू मॉडुलस 1/2 देन 1/4. तो 1/2 एक्स है तो ये 1/4 है. y बहुत छोटा है, कम है, 1/4. ठीक है, 1/2 पर. तो मीन्स ग्राफ विल बी दिस which we have done. And if 2, let us suppose x is 2, तो 2 into modulus 2, 2 to the 4, तो 2 पर ये ग्राफ है यहाँ y 4 देगा. 1 2 3 4 लगभग यहाँ कट करेगा. ओके. सिमिलरली इन द नेगेटिव फेज, if you are taking x value -1 in this, तो -1 into modulus -1, तो modulus -1 +1 हो गया, and into -1, तो it is -1. तो y also -1 if x is -1. So same thing here also, same position, and then same if -2, then will be -2 means modulus -2 +2 and -2, -2 into +2 -4, so then -4, same thing. So means this graph will be symmetric in the first quadrant and third quadrant. Symmetric I am saying. Symmetric means similar position. When x is increasing, y also in the same phase increasing. Similar position of the graph in first quadrant and third quadrant. Okay. So we can say under the x is equal to 1, this line x is equal to 1, and x is equal to -1, this line drawn here at -1, and this function graph. Okay, and x-axis. So 4 things हुई. X-axis line, x is equal to 1 line, x is equal to -1 line, and this curve graph. Okay, graph of the function. So between these 4 shaded region is the bounded region. So we have to find bounded region between these according to question. Required area will be shaded region, which in the figure shown. Okay, clear this sketch of the graph according to the given function. So okay, now after that required area will be shaded region, and shaded region I told you symmetric है, दोनों ही point same आ रहे, 1 1 -1, तो means both area will be equal. So I have done twice of the area of the in first quadrant. So twice into area of this in first quadrant 0 to 1. So limit 0 to 1 x modulus x, and modulus x will be x. If x is positive, so x into x, x square. So integral of x square dx. This will be in first quadrant under 0 to 1. So twice of this. Why twice? Because same other also. So that's why double of this area. Now double of this, and this integral x square dx integral is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it is x cube divided by 3 under the limit 0 to 1. So twice out, and upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit 1 put किया, 1 cube is 1 upon 3 as it is, minus x value 0 put किया, 0.3 0. So 1/3 minus 0. Done. Then 2 into 1/3, 2/3 is the our required area. Thus required area is 2/3 answer. Now show which option here 2/3 in the given options. 2/3 is the option C. Option C is correct option. Done. Okay. Now this chapter is over. Chapter number 8. Next video you will see on chapter 9, differential equation. Okay. Now like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video, share the video to that contact who are studying in +1 this video, and other also 10th and 12th video you share to that student who are studying in the relative classes. उनको भेजें और उन स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करें कि watch the video, like, share and subscribe the video, because who have not subscribed they must subscribe the video to get the next notification with their device. उनके जो भी मोबाइल हैं, डिवाइस है जिस पर देख रहे हैं, टीवी है उस पर देख रहे हैं, उनको ऑटोमेटिकल लिंक आ जाएंगे सब्सक्राइब करने से। तो सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको सब वीडियो पूरे फुल चैप्टर, फुल आपका एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन वीडियो यू विल गेट S2S मैथ्स क्लासेस। ओके, तो गाइड टू दैट फ्रेंड आल्सो के दे मस्ट सेंड द वीडियो टू देयर फ्रेंड, वो अपने आगे किसी फ्रेंड को भेजेंगे, ठीक है। एंड गाइड सेम के सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फर्स्ट एंड देन you will write the comment in comment box. Thank you.